Welcome back to AI Signal. The difference between this trip and our previous trip is that in this trip we will travel to the depth of the unknown and we will face challenges that we can solve them with the help of artificial intelligence.
Okay, if you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to fasten your seatbelt and then subscribe us.
Okay, Captain AI Signal. We have successfully reached our destination. Now there's a problem. We are the first humans who came here and we have no place to go there and rest. How can we get an idea for building and designing a shelter?
Roger that. I suggest you this artificial intelligence tool, which you can design any space unit, like an architect.
It's about versy.ai, where you can design your desired house, office, room, shelter in a 3D space and even create your own world.
So, I want to turn this place into a conference room with a big table and chairs, so to make meeting with my team. Then here, create another room behind this wall and put a glass door. Make it big and full of light with big windows. Now I want an even room with multiple rows and columns of chairs and a stage and a projector screen for video content. Okay, Captain AI Signal. Our mission was successfully completed, and we easily built a shelter by using this artificial intelligence tool. Now, what is the next mission?
We're down, but hurry up! We have to get out of here quickly! The oxygen levels are running low! Get back to our spaceship! We have to get back to Earth! Oh wow! Well, our trip is over and you can unfasten your seatbelt and prepare yourself for the next trip. Your constant companion, Captain AI Signal. Good luck.